gonna wipe off that. You can see the motion that I do is always like wipe it off the excess, and then before I put it back into crystal clear, so then that way my brush will not contaminating. So if you're happy with this, it looks good. We are going to using some silver for this. Great. Wipe it off. And keep in mind that every single time you do your marbles, it's not gonna be identical the same. So which is that the beautiful about that. It's not. I need the silver right there. Oh, here you go. I have silver right next to me, and I keep looking for it. But before the silvers, I am gonna put the blacks on it to give it a little bit depth for that. I got it. My really pure black. Oop, wrong side. So, because I didn't pay attention, but then here the tip and tricks. If you get the thick band, it's gonna be on the gel brush. But if you look at the thin bands, if you have your twin tip brush, it's gonna be your light brush. So I think I must look at that and I just open it. So we're gonna have these two colors here. Just give a little bit the black. Really thin. And we're going to cure it for flash cure it for 30 seconds. Hey, chị Tú Anh, how are you? Chị khỏe không? Okay, I'm gonna get that brush clean off and looking for my stones. Right there. I'm gonna share with you how I clean this one off, not with acetone or alcohol. I'm just using not matte top coat, matte work too, no white top coat, just a little drop or smaller drop, doesn't have to be a lot, and just using that to sour your brush, so then you can start seeing the brush release all that pigments from the black one colors that we had. Just wipe it off with a piece of papers, and then if you're done, you don't have to use any for painting, then you just cap on. But this one I am gonna using it for, I want to move on to the silver to add some silver on it. You can do gold as well. I think this gold will look stunning as well. We just did so many gold so many times already, so I just want to share with you a different look. Instead of black, you can do silver. You can do however you want it. How everyone doing today? Hope you all stay home and be safe. Just enjoy time with your family and catch up with things that you can get time to doing it. I've been so busy as well. I freaking love this because the silver, it's just so pigmented, and then you can draw your veins in however you want it. Great. Soak here for another 30 seconds. Clean the brush again and cap on to release all that silver pigments. This is a shimmering silver. We're always using golden touch. It's just, I don't know, it's hard to choose which one is my favorites because they're all really pigmented, like 12 colors of shell painting. You can't never go wrong with that, because you see me did some colors for gel painting, and painting is really one of my challenging, and I can be able to do it. Totally easy. So you want to see some crystal placement on this one? We can bling this one completely out, or can just like, just leave it right there. Oh, I have this. Maybe I should do that one. It was a really nice piece for us. Not yet. Ooh. Okay. Let me do that once. And I'm using, really cool though, I'm gonna do some neon on it as well. So twin tip brush and condensed glue gels, we have a lot of inquiries asking how to adhere and what to adhere the really good crystals, and is that gonna last. So if it one item you have to pick it out from Glitz accessory and such, I would suggest that Trifecta. I'm going to show you in a little bit, because since I have it you online here, so I get to share with all of you. So if you are watching it, here's the answer for you. So with condensed glue gel, it's really thick densities and no white top coat. It will help. Basically, it's just grab the base of the crystals, charm chain 3D flat backs in nice one place. There's no white top coat. It has a benefit of it, when it finished, it's completely nice and smooth, and you just need to double secure it by using a precision glue. Then you don't have to worry about tacking layer, like between the crystals, like around the crystal when you put top coat later is nice, but then between the crystal still, you know, sticky. So then after, that's why the reason why after a few days or a week later, the client's nails, it looks dirty. Not because they did something wrong, it's just the dust. They're collecting dust and then stick it on that edges and stuff. My silver. Why not? I'm gonna stick some of them here. Sorry, Instagram, I keep coming off from you. Sweet Nancy, come back. Sorry. I don't know how everyone think of this, but I'm freaking love this. It's so different. Okay, here, I never done a similar thing like this, but I'm not afraid to try with you because we got to learn it together. Mostly when you see is on IGTV, we did it before with the videos. Editing's perfectly, you know, a lot of behind the scene, you don't seeing it. But forget about that. We are doing live video, so you get to see me action in live. So every mistake, like you see me sometimes goof up with stuff. Hey, it's totally fine. It's normal. Troubleshooting all the time at the salon, right? So I'm glad I get to do it, like, or even did it perfect in front of you, or make a mistake in front of you. So you can see that, and you know, it just, oh, I really like it. I even like the effects from the silver together. Earlier, I'm watching live video from Sarah. She did freaking stunning, like amazing. She did so many, so artistic, and she did so many different cool designs. And I learned so much from her. So beautiful. So here, the tip and trick, you know, for all of you beginners, or if you are not beginners, you are looking for some cool thing to add it on your service. When and where should you put the crystal, and how is that going to keep it stay nice place? The best place is to put your crystal when you want them to be really stay and last longer. You want to place them tight together. As you see that, it's like a chains for me if I put the crystal on it. So the tighter, the closer. I always repeating it in so many different live video because some of you will be here with me with Glitz and such for a long time and all live video, but some of you are just tuning in as the first video. So I want to share with you, so then just in case you are doing it, so then it give you a lot of tips and tricks, so that way you can really enjoying your crystal placement without frustrated, because you're supposed to be really enjoying it and fun. And also, who doesn't like bling? I really like it. I took away from a marble, but you can still see the hint of it. It just go, this crystal placement just go with the marble though. With, great. You're still seeing it on the side. Here, for 60 seconds,